My name is Razum. I'm a pricing manager for Trane Technologies. So I could tell you there's never been a better time to be an innovator. You could buy a 3D printer for less than $1,000. And if you have an idea, you can 3D print it and have something to hold in front of potential investors of what you want to share and do. This is not a super complex part, but I could print it fairly quickly to get a concept across, and that helps drive innovation. I'll give you a concrete example. As a 12U travel ball coach, we could have just had a team that focused on winning, but understanding that STEM needs to be applied most in the middle school years, we try to inspire innovation into our team. This is the Lucky Duck ball washer, and we came up with this during COVID. I was washing these balls in a bucket by hand, and I thought there's got to be a better way. You basically drop the ball in like a golf ball washer, spin it around, give it a whirl, and you got a clean ball. How I apply to some of these ideas that I come up with, I just keep working them, and eventually one of these will hit.
He has a very unique background, engineering with his pricing passion. It makes me personally feel like we're doing something right. We're creating a culture where our employees can make a difference.
And in this case, the Operation Possible focused on refugees and thermal comfort. So I submitted 3 ideas. One of the ideas looks like it's a hit. I saw a video on Climate Zone about how we create heat exchangers at one of our factories. So why not take a heat exchanger, put it in a box spring of a bed. If you connect it to that, you can reduce CO2 by 75%, the studies are showing. The concept's been merged with another great idea relative to tents, so we can have a whole solution for the refugees. Working on these side gigs, if you will, where this has to be rugged and remote, the HX bed concept for Operation Possible also has to be rugged and remote. So there's some things that you need to know and take from the field to put into a different field. We've got about 20 folks interested in participating. I know there's some great engineers on the team already, so I look forward to working with the engineers and helping make this thing come to life.
The ideas that Joe and others are bringing to the table of how we corely solve that problem and get them a safe place, a comfortable place, I really am excited about that.
I think it can be a little bit intimidating for a lot of us to bring forward ideas that are new and different. Some past ideas have kind of built off of each other. So I would say take the chance, bring forward your ideas, because you never know who you're going to inspire along the way.
Whenever there's a problem, subliminally, my mind will work on how to fix that problem. So trying to inspire innovation more and more.